Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the busy streets and crowded temples of Siem Reap? What if I told you there's a peaceful side of this city that most tourists never get to see? Today, we are taking you on a journey to explore something completely different, the old airport area and a hidden pagoda that'll make you fall in love with Siem Reap all over again. I'm talking about quiet countryside roads, friendly locals, amazing food, and a pagoda so beautiful it'll take your breath away. So grab your helmet, hop on that motorbike, and let's explore together. If you're someone who loves discovering new spots and chill zones around Siem Reap, you're going to love this adventure. We decided to ride toward the old airport side, and honestly, it feels like stepping into a different world. The busy streets slowly fade away. The air turns fresher, and soon you're surrounded by peaceful countryside vibes. It's like seeing the real Cambodia, the one you rarely experience as a visitor. There's a beautiful pagoda just past the old airport, and that became our destination for the day. The journey itself was just as special: tiny roadside shops, friendly faces, and a sense of calm everywhere. This area used to be a popular spot where locals came to watch flights take off and land. Now, it's quiet and almost forgotten. But that's what makes it so unique. We passed a few buffaloes grazing by the roadside, such a classic Cambodian scene, and even spotted a few local restaurants that looked amazing. But we decided to save our appetite for later and headed straight to the pagoda. And wow, the moment we arrived, it was pure peace. The place is surrounded by greenery, filled with monks, and so quiet you can hear the birds and the breeze. After all the noise and crowds in the city, this silence feels like a gift. The pagoda's architecture is stunning: golden details, intricate carvings, and a sense of calm that's hard to describe. The monks were warm and welcoming, and even though we didn't share a language, their smiles said everything. We spent a while just walking around, taking photos and soaking in the atmosphere. If you love meditation or just quiet reflection, this place is perfect. On our way back, something caught our eye: a cozy little eatery right next to the old airport road. We almost rode past it, but the vibe pulled us in. And I'm glad it did, because we ended up spending hours there. The couple who run the place was so kind and friendly. The woman made incredible noodles topped with a perfectly poached egg, simple but absolutely delicious. My friend tried a few local Cambodian dishes too. Everything fresh, flavorful, and cooked with love. It wasn't just the food that made it special, but the people. Even with the language barrier, their warmth and hospitality made us feel right at home. We sat there for hours, chatting, eating, and enjoying the countryside calm. Moments like these remind me why it's worth exploring beyond the tourist spots, because that's so. If you ever find yourself wanting to explore this side of Siem Reap, please make sure to drop by this area. Support these wonderful local businesses, spend time at that beautiful pagoda, and experience the peaceful countryside that most tourists miss. And definitely share these discoveries with your friends, especially if they love finding new and peaceful spots around Siem Reap. Places like these need our support and appreciation to keep thriving. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you discovered any hidden gems in Siem Reap that most people don't know about? Share your stories in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if it inspired you to explore beyond the usual tourist spots. Subscribe for more authentic travel experiences and hidden discoveries around Cambodia. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious about the world around you.